Welcome back to my channel again. In this video I am going to show you use any song as your ringtone on Android. If you are new here to my channel, consider to subscribing. So let's begin. First of all, unlock your phone, then open the settings page. Once you are in the main settings, scroll down slowly. You can find sound and vibration option or similar name. So tap to open it. After that, locate at the ringtone option, tap on it. Here you can see all of the pre-installed ringtone listed there. If you select any ringtone, simply select it and automatically set it. However, keep in mind, if you decide to set a song as your ringtone, so look at the plus sign at the top right corner, tap on it, then you can go to the sound picker page. Here you can see all of the music listed there. Simply scroll through the page, find the exact song or music if you want to set your ringtone. For example, I am set this ringtone my Android phone, so tap on it, then hit the done button at the top right corner, and you have successfully done. You can also adjust the ringtone volume at the very bottom of the page on your phone. That's it guys, how you can easily set any ringtone on your phone. Thanks for watching. Take care.